What's up, Aplliq fam? It's your boy Kid Lips coming at you from Los Angeles, and today I need your help. We are gonna start offering an incredible brand out of New Zealand called AS Color on Aplliq for all our drop shippers, and we want you to help us decide what garments you want to embellish, what garments you want to offer your customers when drop shipping. Just to rewind a little bit, you may be like, what's drop shipping? What's Aplliq? What's going on? What's AS Color? Drop shipping is when you build a store and a brand and allow a company to manufacture products for you on your store, and they fulfill them for you. They hold all inventory. They make things on demand, usually print on demand or POD, which is what Aplliq does. And they will take orders when they come in, make the product, and ship it out to your customer. You never have to touch inventory. You get paid when the product sells. Really great option for building a brand and not having to worry about holding a ton of product, investing a ton up front, and you can just focus on marketing, and you focus on branding, you focus on design. And so that's where AS Color comes in. AS Color is a really interesting brand and actually has a history with Aplliq. I used to live in Australia back in 2006, 2007, 2008, and AS Color was the brand for blanks out of Australia because they were based in New Zealand and they had offices in Australia, and I could get blanks and I could start making pocket tees, which was our early product. And so that was kind of the OG Aplliq product back in the day, was out of AS Color, and their fleece was always on point. Their t-shirts were really solid, and I saw a lot of parallels between them and American Apparel, the old American Apparel that had an incredible product line, expansive, that was pretty high quality, that wasn't the cheapest option, but definitely showed quality, that has a lot of organic cotton options, which we love to see, right? We want to have that environmental consciousness. And then also can make your brand seem like a cut and sew brand. And what I mean by that is they have so many unique options in their collection, from pants to jackets to corduroy hats to bags and backpacks, just like American Apparel used to have, that you can basically take these products, brand them with your art or your logo or your graphic, and all of a sudden it looks like you're running a cut and sew production, but it's actually a blank from AS Color. Pretty powerful stuff. Now, to bring you up to speed on Aplliq, if you're not already familiar, we're all about on-demand production. We do print, we do embellishment with embroidery, we add your labels. We will take a label from a product and put your brand into that product so it looks like you made it out of your factory. We're doing things that are all about quality apparel. We're not focused on phone cases or coffee mugs. We're really focused on clothing. That's our bread and butter, that's what we're all about. And if you care about making a clothing line that stands out and is high quality, kick it with Aplliq. We support Shopify, and we're getting into WooCommerce, and we're always here to deliver on your needs in building a quality brand. So let's talk a bit about AS Color. As I said, from New Zealand, they use color, C-O-L-O-U-R, the more UK version of saying it. And they have this crazy library of products. Men, women, kids, unisex, everything. They have unbelievable selection on shirts. Let's just start there. T-shirts, long sleeves, their shirts are on point. They even have a great collared shirt selection. Polos, rugbies, Oxfords, and they have stripes. This is really fresh. Looking at the stripes, they have the thick stripes like on a rugby shirt or a t-shirt. Then they have thin stripes like the sailor styles, long sleeve, short sleeve, collars. This is just dope. To have stripes, again, is another level up in showing quality in your brand and making it feel like you made it just for your customer. It's cut and sew, it's unique, but it's from AS Color. It's pretty rad. And it reminds me of a lot of stuff that we used to get from American Apparel back in the day, and it's so cool to see it back in the mix with AS Color and available to all of you. They also have some really on-point accessories. So their hat selection, is mwah, chef's kiss, supreme. I'm really feeling their corduroy cap. I want one for myself. Looks really, really clean and sweet. They also have a solid beanie offering, including a knit cable beanie, which is kind of a unique style. You don't usually you get like an acrylic beanie, which is just, you know, simple traditional beanie, but the knit shows a bit more texture. That's really fresh. When we get into fleece, they have so many options for fleece, which is really impressive. They have lightweight, heavyweight, they have 4XL, 5XL in some of their styles, zips, pullovers, crew necks. They have pastel colors and bold, solid colors. So I'm pretty impressed. Really, they have a lot. They have things that may be for male identifying folks, for female identifying folks, for non-binary, for kids. The kids selection is a little slim. They have t-shirts and long sleeves, but it's good to see it, and you always want to have some offering there. They have dresses, which is awesome. We're not seeing a lot of blank companies offering dresses, and that's super important. So there's a couple cool dress styles. There's some great tank tops, some that are more kind of singlet with, like, they call them singlets in Australia and New Zealand, but they're like kind of thin straps, and some are thicker, heavier weight. Some are like the big muscle tee style with the cutoff. Basically, AS Color has an incredible catalog, and we need your help picking the styles that you want to offer your customers, and we can put on the Aplliq platform for you to drop ship. So that means check out AS Color, check out some of the things I just talked about, and drop a comment and let us know, what do you want to see? What are the garments that make sense for your brand that you would want to offer to your customers, and how would you embellish them? Would you want to embroider? Would you want to print? Would you want to just put a label on it and that's it? All great options. So love to hear what you're thinking. Post it in the comments below. And Groobies, where you at?
Welcome to Philadelphia, guys. You got your boy Groobies here. Keylips, thank you so much for kicking it off with AS Color. I'm super excited about the AS Color partnership. As Keylips pointed out, huge selection. I wanted to talk to you guys real quick about a couple of my favorite products. First and foremost, we have this rad corduroy hat. Super high quality, premium hat. You just don't see a good color selection and stocking of these corduroy hats, and we're gonna be super excited to make those available on the platform. The next product I wanna talk about is just these premium t-shirts. I am actually wearing an AS Color 5001 staple t-shirt, 100% cotton, super soft, just it's all side seamed, everything's buttoned up perfectly on this shirt. So really excited about those shirts. And then the third product that I am super excited about is striped tees. And there's really two types of striped tees. We have the wide striped tees. We also have the classic, more narrow striped tees. And I just think that that's a product that you can take something like an embroidered patch or a woven label and really start to make some premium quality apparel for your drop shipping stores. So those are three products. It's like 3.5, maybe 4 products that I'm super excited about. Please post your comments down below. What products are you looking forward to from AS Color, guys? Look forward to hearing from you. Don't forget to smash that like button. Peace.